Okay, so I am moving apartments in 2 weeks. I'm super excited for moving vlogs, decorating, all that good stuff. I've lived here for the past year, and this was it wasn't my first apartment, but it was my first like big girl adult apartment that I lived in on my own. Nobody had to co-sign for me, so I made lots of memories here, but it is time to go. I'm really excited for the new place that I'm moving to. It's brand new. I'm super happy to show you guys, but I am moving in 2 weeks from today. I want to go ahead and just start packing so that I'm not up the night before getting things together. So I am just going to look around and see what are some things that I know that I'm not going to need or use in the next 2 weeks. Also, let me pick you guys up holding a whole tripod. Also, the apartment that I'm moving to is like 30 or 40 square feet smaller. So I think I do want to get rid of some things that are just not going to fit. Also, the color scheme of the new place is different. Everything is light. So here I have dark floor, dark kitchen. So I'm gonna just see things that I want to sell or get rid of and things that I do want to take with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. Okay, so let me just show you guys what this apartment looks like if you haven't seen my other video. So again, dark floor, everything is dark cabinets. This is a 1-bedroom, 800 square feet, and this is my kitchen. This space right here is probably the square footage that I'm losing in my new apartment. There's not as much space between the kitchen and living room, so I think I might have to get rid of this desk. I don't know if it's going to fit. That mirror is going. I don't like the mirror. I don't know if I have room in my new apartment for an entry table. I'll have to see. This mirror got from Walmart. It was only like $70. I might keep it, but I don't know if I like the color scheme with the new apartment. And then the couch I'm keeping. I might get rid of that lamp and get a new one. Coffee table my cousin made. I think most of the living room stuff I might keep. I have to see how this looks in the new apartment. On my balcony, which is really small, the bench I'm taking, my cousin that made that coffee table and that stand, or that tray also made that. This nasty glass table I got for free from a coworker. I'm going to probably throw that in the trash. I don't think anyone wants that. And then bedroom. Keeping everything in here, so all of my dresser, nightstands, bed, lamp. Don't know if I'm going to keep this beauty thing. I have to see. I think my new bedroom is a little bit smaller. Bathroom. This shower is so gross. Sorry, I need to clean it. I'm finally gonna have a bathtub. I'm really ready for that. So I'm gonna start probably packing some clothes. I know that I'm obviously not gonna wear most of these things over the next 2 weeks. And also, I'm giving my washer and dryer to my parents. So I also got these for free from a coworker. Super, super nice, but my new apartment has a washer and dryer in unit. So these are going to be going to my parents' house. But yeah, I am going to, oh, and then this closet over here. Also, so I am losing some things in my new apartment. I do not have a closet, which I'm kind of bummed about. But I have lots of junk in here that I need to go through and see what do I actually want to take with me. So that is what I am going to start doing today. But I do have to get ready to go to brunch in like an hour. So I'm just going to start kind of figuring out what is junk and what needs to get packed. Okay, some of the things I have in here. So this one has some of my Christmas decor. This box, why do I have all of these old Kendra Scott bags? This is a Denny and Burke bag. James Avery. I'm probably gonna throw these away. Actually, this one I'll keep. This was a case for a pearl necklace and earrings that I got for graduation. Also, I have my MacBook Pro box. I don't know why. Is it just me, or do you guys always keep Apple boxes just in case you sell them or something? But honestly, I'm probably going to throw this away. And then there's some other stuff. I need boxes. So I have nothing to put clothes in because I only have that small suitcase and these bins. So I do have to get some boxes. Okay, so in this blue bin, I'm gonna start putting clothes that I am not gonna wear. So mostly kind of these summer tops. It is getting cold. This is what I wore on Halloween. I was Selena. And also, this is the point where if I see any item I have not worn in the last year, I'm going to donate it. So I'm gonna put mostly summer clothes, dresses, things that I'm not gonna wear into this bin, and then I'll also make a donation pile. Okay, got this thing all filled up, mostly summer clothes. I still have a lot of clothes left, and there's still some in the laundry and in my dresser, but at least I got something out of the way. Now I'm just gonna see what else I can pack up today. Okay, moving update. I'm also out of breath from carrying stuff up the stairs. So the mirror that was there I gave to my sister, and then also that glass table outside I got rid of. Got a whole bunch of boxes, so I'm gonna start packing stuff away. I actually packed a lot of like shoes, clothes, so all of these tubs are actually full. Those two, the bottom one and that suitcase, is full, but I still have lots of stuff left. So you guys can see by all the empty hangers that I packed away a lot of my clothes, but I still have some shoes and clothes left for the next couple of weeks. Right now I'm washing laundry, so I'm gonna start packing away items that I know I'm not going to use. Probably also some of my decor, so like lots of those plants, also the books and some of my camera stuff. I'm going to start packing away because I'm moving out. Today's Sunday, so not this Saturday, but next Saturday. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these together and start packing some of that away. Okay, it's 1 week from me moving out. So last night I had a last little get together with some friends and family. So I've been trying to clean up everything. I still have to wash dishes. Today I'm going to basically pack up everything that I don't need this week. And so yesterday I got more boxes, and I have a lot of clothes because I've already filled up several boxes and bags, but I'm just going to look through my clothes and just pick out what do I need for the next 5 or 6 days, and everything else is getting packed. So I'm going to pretty much pack up everything. So I'm about to run to Target to get some more tape. I'm also going to start packing up dishes. So I'm going to get like bubble wrap, and I basically want to have this place pretty much all packed up so that during the week I don't have to worry about that, and that it will be a nice, smooth move. Okay, so I bought this big suitcase, so I'm basically going to pack everything and then only leave stuff that I need for the week. After that, I'll just pack it in this one. This is the American Tourister 28-inch, and it matches the other hard shell. So I already had the carry-on, so I kind of wanted to buy this anyways, but this is going to be helpful for moving. So I'm about to go through, pack this place up. I also got some bubble wrap just to pack up some dishes. So by the end of this weekend, I want to basically have everything packed up except for like dishes, clothes, and toiletries that I need for the week. Okay, moving update. Today is Thursday. I am moving Saturday. Here is what the situation is looking like. I packed up, a lot of stuff in those boxes, bags, pretty much every single drawer of the desk is empty except some camera stuff I've been using. Most of my clothes and everything, I had my friend come and unmount my TV. Hopefully they don't charge me for that. And mostly all of my clothes are packed except for a couple of things that I left just for the week, and then a bunch of hangers. But I went to Home Depot and got some large boxes, and I'm basically gonna pack like the rest of my dishes and kitchen stuff because I probably am just going to eat out just to make it easier for the next day. The lighting is really bad. My parents are coming tomorrow to pick up my washer and dryer because, like I mentioned, I'm giving it to them. So while I'm at work tomorrow, they're gonna have movers come and get these, so then after that I can just clean this space out. Almost done. And then I have this big suitcase here just to put all the rest of my toiletries. I also cleaned out like everything underneath here, and I only left just a couple of hair products. I say a couple, but it's a lot for the week. And then just my basic essentials. So yeah, going to pack a little bit, and then I'm going out to watch, I guess, a football game or something with some friends. So that is the progress. I'll keep you guys updated, and finally about to move. Very just ready to get this move over with. It is the night before, it's like 8 o'clock, and I have so much stuff. Like, I'm overwhelmed. I'm about to start throwing stuff away. It is a freaking mess in here. I did not realize I had so much stuff. I have to go buy more boxes because I literally have filled up everything. I still have dishes. I still have food. Tons of things. There's literally boxes everywhere. My parents came while I was at work and they took my washer and dryer, so those are gone. I just have so many things like all over that I didn't realize I had. I thought all of my extra clothes would fit in the suitcase. They did not. So I'm about to go run, and I need to get more boxes because I still have all that stuff to pack. And then after I sleep, I have to pack all of the bedding and stuff. So yeah, I have to go get some boxes. So I'm going to make another Home Depot run. Okay, so I'm basically all done. Everything is packed. I put stuff in my car that I want to take myself, stuff that's like my camera equipment, more breakable. My apartment that I'm moving to doesn't open till 10 a.m. My movers are coming at 12, it's 8:30, so I kind of have nothing to do until 10. All of my stuff is pretty much packed, so I guess I will just maybe edit a video until it's almost 10, then head over and get my keys. Going to film an empty apartment tour before the movers start moving all the stuff in, so now we wait. Okay, so I'm starting to move smaller things up myself. So I have my carts that I loaded, so some of the smaller things I'm taking in the elevator before the mover comes. I'm dumb, I put these wheels on backwards, so I have to push it sideways until I can change it. Here we go. Okay guys, so I'm just going to end this vlog here and do a part 2. Once the movers get here, you guys will see all the furniture and big things actually getting moved in. And also I'll take you guys along with me if I go shopping to buy any new pieces. Also stay tuned for empty apartment tour, holiday decorating, all that good stuff. So be sure to subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.